I like the horn. I really like the horn. Every time I horn, he shoots. See? I'm going in! Finally!
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Are you kidding with me? Woo! I ran him over. We're destroying them. We're freaking destroying them. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Woo! Run him over. Whoa! The second guy I ran him over. By the way, we're only 2 people against like 4 people. He shoots every time I horn. Woo! The third guy to run him over. And the best thing, we haven't died yet.
Enemies are attacking the armored vehicle. I'll take the big gun.
Reload! Oh no! Oh no! No, 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 no! God! Freaking... I told you, we were 2 against 4. Or 3. Against squads. But we did really well. He killed 5 people, I killed 4 people. I actually ran over 3 people. I'm not even kidding. This was the best team ever.
Teammate has been designated as most wanted. Guards at all
Wow!
costs.
My teammate is the... Good luck to my teammate. I'm definitely not gonna hang out around him. Where is it? Ah, you scared me!
Does anyone need High cache located. Move to secure. Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
Ah, you're a freaking... I can't believe I just got conned. He just scammed me into going after the gun, and then he ended up taking the car. Okay. Hope you live without me, because you're gonna die without me. See, he's fighting someone now without me.
Box is found. Solid work.
Oh, I think I found someone on the map. Oh, there's an armored vehicle also. Can I kill them from... I think this is like a cliff, and they are at the bottom.
Into the AO.
Come on. He landed with nothing, so I killed him for nothing.
Your armored vehicle is under attack.
I don't care about my armored vehicle anymore because they left me.
I can fly.
Every bullet counts.
Friendly drop bag headed your way. Enemies are attacking your armored vehicle.
Where did he go?
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
I don't want to shoot him until I get a clear shot at him. Okay, now he's dead.
Your armored vehicle is under attack.
Ooh.
Your armored vehicle is under attack.
Well, they left me alone. They didn't care about me. Why should I care about them?
Your armored vehicle has been destroyed. The squad
Yep.
is no longer authorized for redeployment.
Congrats. Now I cannot be redeployed again, ever. Whoa! Holy freaking hell! He scared the crap out of me.
Got the drop bag in.
Ah. Is there a buy station near?
There are 50 still active. Good hunting.
We're not all here. Regroup. Aid station. Vendor here if you need equipment. Aid station here.
Okay, let's go. Let's go with the Ra and this guy. And screw you, OP, for what you did to me. Oh, heavy armor is coming, heavy armor is coming. I knew it. They're gonna die. The second they land, they're gonna die. Oh no! This is not good. A helicopter, everything is literally running after me. Oh no! I saw him. He jumped off the helicopter. Show yourself. Where are you? No! I didn't see the armor car behind me. I thought it left. It turned around and came behind me. God freaking Wait a second. I just realized it's written on the left. Bounty. We should eliminate Donald Trump. What the freaking is going on?
Soldier is coming.
Oh my god, it overheated.
Well done.
Moving. Disregard last.
Gas is inbound.
I killed him.
Contact!
Who do you think you are? Trying to kill me? Oh, I need some armor, because like this I'm gonna die. I shot him. He's down. He's down. He's down. Oh, he ran. He ran with his armored vehicle. Freaking trying to attack us. Can't see anything. And there's an armored vehicle behind us, that's the problem. Woo! Oh no.
Taking fire.
Oh no! No, you dumbass! You dumbass! You dumbass! You just killed us! No, no! No! Still revive! Still revive! No! No! Ugh, freaking hell! I was trying my best to get self-revive. Oh, we can respawn because our vehicle is still alive. Oh, we're top 10 now. Let's make it top 5. Our armor vehicle is almost destroyed. One more RPG and our armor vehicle is definitely destroyed. Come on, quick. Come on, quick. Oh, that's a shotgun. Oh, the gas.
Only 25 left. Keep up the good work. Right.
Take the 50 cal.
Move!
Until your armored vehicle is in a safe location. Your armored vehicle is under attack.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna die.
Destroyed. The squad is no longer authorized for redeployment.
No! I'm dying. No! No, I'm dying really quick. God freaking, I'm gonna die. I'm definitely dying. Ah!
You're one of 25 remaining.
Honestly, I'm happy because I said I want to be top 10 and we made it. We're in 8th. We're number 8. I don't care about anything. Oh, and I got 4 kills. I'm actually happy. I'm happy with this game mode. That was good. Okay, usually people tell you go subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn your notification on, or at least like the video or comment down in the section below. I'm gonna tell you something different. Share the link of my video to one of your friends, family members. And I actually hope you enjoyed this video, Call of Duty Warzone. This is my first time to upload Call of Duty Warzone. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Why? What are you doing?